Hi everyone. I created this Ramadan Kareem post using AI. Many of you requested a detailed tutorial on how it was made. In this video, I will walk you through the complete creation process step by step. First, open Dreamina.CapCut. You can find the website link in the description of this video. Click on the plus icon to upload your logo. Then copy and paste the prompt provided in the description below. Here is the initial result. If the outcome is not satisfactory, regenerate the design in Dreamina. After several attempts, I achieved a more refined result. Here is the final version I selected. Download it. Then open it in Adobe Photoshop. Use the lasso tool to carefully select the AI-generated logo and any unwanted elements. Hold the Shift key to add additional areas to your selection. Go to the Edit menu, choose Fill, apply the specified settings, and click OK. Right-click and deselect. Create a new blank layer. Select the brush tool and apply the indicated settings. Gently brush along the edges to subtly darken the sides and enhance depth. Next, import the Arabic calligraphy text. The download link is provided in the description. Position it appropriately within your design. Place the gold texture above the calligraphy layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask to apply the texture. Finally, add your text. Apply the same text settings demonstrated on screen for a consistent and polished result. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.